You think about clouds, what are they? They're amorphous, they're kind of billowy, they really don't have a shape. And what's happening is in cloud computing, it seems to be taking over the world, but we don't know exactly what it is. We really haven't defined it yet. We have clusters, we have grids, we have all these different things that will maybe subsumed into the cloud. Maybe that's going to happen. Who knows? Whatever.
What do you know about cloud computing?
I really know very little about it.
Cloud computing is going to be one of the hottest topics in the HPC space.
And everybody's using cloud to describe everything.
But you are seeing people start to adopt it.
Oh, we're absolutely in the clouds, and we like it there.
I think people have got to get their heads out of the cloud and start investing in cloud technology.
We have it named grid computing, and now we call it cloud computing, and maybe later we'll call it whatever computing.
20 years ago, you had utility computing, then you had clustered computing, and now everything is converging into cloud-based managing your data center.
We see our customers moving from desktops to clusters to clouds, and we're going to try and make that as seamless and easy as possible. The biggest concern that we see for most of our customers is just the ability to administrate and manage huge clusters.
We're talking about environments where you have many servers, from a dozen of servers up to thousands of servers.
They have massive computational problems. They're buying thousands of nodes every year, and they don't necessarily have the budgets, the floor space, or the power budgets to be able to install those quantities of nodes.
So cloud computing at its root will enable HPC users that don't have the ability or wherewithal to purchase clusters on their site and allow customers to use a cloud computing infrastructure off their compute site.
We think if you start thinking about somebody else's processing, you start getting to a definition of cloud computing. People don't want to worry about it. They want to just get their problem solved. And if that's getting done on someone else's computing, well, whatever.
You know, you can get these really high performance networks where a lot of people can share them and use the same resources. And it just makes life a lot easier for a lot of companies.
But ultimately, companies like Platform will properly communicate the advantages, the business proposition, how it'll improve customer value, and build business profitability for their customers.
They are an excellent partner. They are the leader in providing cluster management technology in many segments of high-performance computing, and that's why we're interested in working with Platform.
Platform has been a player in this space since the beginning, a pioneer in the area of cloud computing. Their role has been significant.
We've been partners with Platform for almost as long as there's been a platform, and perhaps as long as there's been as an HP. And it's really one of the more valued partnerships that we've had. Very long term. It's really helped us both grow in the HPC market and beyond the HPC market. And again, we value that tremendously. We're only here because of the value of our partnerships with leaders like Platform.